See the natural gas price now trading at a level of $3.77. One thing that you have to understand here is that a smaller pattern has formed, moved an upside, and then it came down, creating a pattern, okay, and made a low from $3.63. After that, it tries to bounce back. This is on a day wise chart, okay. So what we have seen that, see, whenever there is a upside, it moves in this direction. Whenever there is low y, it will move in the direction. There will not be a sharp rise as well as sharp fall, okay. So it is trying to go upside. If you see in this particular chart for yesterday on the Friday, we have seen the prices trying to go high, making a low from 3.63. But what we have seen, the gap where you can say a level of 3.53 is there. The price has come from 5.3 to this particular level, and without this gap filling, there is less chances that it can go further upside. This is what I feel, okay, because if the price started going below 3.72, there is a chances that it can come down again towards 3.65, and if that didn't sustain, we can see it can move yesterday's low, that is 3.63, and once started falling below this level, chances of filling this gap is very high, 3.53. If it fill this gap and then bounce back, then there is a probability of upside that it can come again towards 3.68, then to a level of 3.81, and then a further upside can be seen. But if the price has moved from this level to this level and it is not filling this gap, then there is some probability that if it started going upside, it has to go above a level of $4.4 or $4.2, because yesterday what we have seen on Friday, this level has touched a level of around $4, but it didn't sustain, it came down. But now if the price sustain above a level of 3.9, there is a higher chances that it can cross a level of $4, because this $4 is already weak. So we can see it can move further upside, and from there it can move towards this trend will break an upside, and chances of going further high can be seen towards $4.18, and from there a further upside towards 4.2 can be seen, and then further high. Best what I suggest you always has to trail your SL by $0.15 or 0.25, depending on your risk, on how much weekly chart or day-wise chart or monthly chart you are trading with, or 0.5 depending on how much you trade or take a risk, okay. See what I feel, that if the price keep moving below a level of 3.67, we can see further fall. But if the price keep moving above a level of $3.91, and if it sustain, we can see a further upside movement.